Cái này nak daun. Kau tengok orang masuk lagi balik. Jadi. Ha.
Come. Balal.
Ni biasa dia buka lagi. Kita main buka dulu. Kenapa dia buka?
What is this?
Slab.
Lamb. Fish.
Ikan.
Yes, ikan. What ikan?
What ikan?
Berapa ikan?
Ya, gerbah.
Berapa? How much?
Berapa?
Ringgit.
Kasih.
Thank you. Sama-sama. Rong eh?
Sudah.
Sudah. Diam dia.
Oh, what is this?
Yes, soya. Hello. Soya. Sorry, maybe I'm disturbing you. Yes, cukup. Ayar. Tepung pelita. What is tepung pelita?
Rice.
You know? This is rice.
Yeah. I think so.
It's sweet. This is rice. Okay. It's really trouble to make a video. Sweet. Aneka talam. Wow. Looks so delicious. Huh?
I was about to tell you egg delicious, but it is.
Oh. Nicely packaged.
Yang tu 3 lah. Boleh? 2.
Oh, yang dia.
Oh, this is resume.
Like this is working.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Mangga susu, jambu asam buih, tembikai merah, tembikai susu, kelaba muda. Oh, coconut drink. Wow, it's like
How to work that?
we have a wow. We also hello.
Hello.
We're making vlog.
You look beautiful today.
Hai. Bang, dari? Satu kotak 3,5?
Setengah.
Ya. Satu ya?
Ya.
This is fried.
Oh, Dipika. This is difficult to manage.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Only 1.5 ringgit. Wow.
All the shrimp. So nice, right?
It's satisfying.
Very colorful.
This is satisfying.
Wow.
This is satisfying, Dipika.
Very satisfying. Maybe you should take a photo.
Yes. When we come back, we can.
You can take a photo by your phone?
No, my phone is the battery.
Oh. Okay, okay, no problem.
Okay, give me.
Dia kalau nak pedas sikit pun boleh je. Boleh kot letak pedas sikit tu tak apa tu. Pedas sikit je. Oh, beautiful.
This is very famous in Malaysia.
What's the name of this? Gunting. Ayam gunting. Ini jual kat mana? Kalau bukan dekat pasar. Dekat depan sekolah. How they're making? This one.
Yes. She will take it.
See, she will put on oil now.
Oh. This one.
She's wrapping with flour.
That one.
Okay.
You want to see that? But she's not putting now.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Not now. Later.
Okay. The
This is cooking. I'm not sure this. This is shamucha.
Punya, kita ya.
cookies.
It looks so satisfying. No, we're making video, vlogging.
Beautiful. This shop is my favorite.
Oh. Sorry.
Oh, this curry looks delicious.
You wanna buy?
No, no, no.
Rice.
Yummy.
Tomato rice.
Tomato rice. Ah. Sedap, sedap.
Cute.
Oh, this is very nice. This is the satisfying part.
Offer to pay.
Oh, they have watermelon juice. Dito.
Do you add sugar? No sugar free? Kagula? Kagula? See? Oh, we can buy later.
Okay, we finish video, come by. Oh, those kids, I didn't focus on them.
Wow, it's so delicious.
Looks so beautiful.
If you feel tired, I can. You okay? They call pudding. Okay, okay.
So satisfying.
What is it? Nasi. RM10. RM10, RM10. Okay.
Wow, the full show.
It's amazing.
Oh,
With this, they just have some. Wow. Okay, there is nothing.
oh,
This is takoyaki, by the way.
takoyaki.
Takoyaki.
This is made of palm.
Wow!
Oh my god, it looks so nice. This
You will. This what is this? What is this fruit?
palm.
Palm. This is palm.
Pusing dapat original.
First time I see palm.
Gigit Pak Sengah je.
Amazing.
First time?
Yeah, first time.
Nasi
First time in my life.
Really? We make a very nice sweet dessert.
Really?
Yeah, we have.
No, it's okay. It's enough.
Ni nak kahwin kan?
We want to take this side also. Yeah.
Difficult. Finish.
Bang, ready bang. Ini apa ya?
So hygiene. So satisfying. Thank you.
You are doing good.
You wanna move? I'll make a video. Okay, okay. Together.
Maggi goreng.
Nice.
You can go click.
Thank you.
Ramadan Mubarak.